Doesn't that look lovely? Huh? That all the way to that. Yep. Alright, gotta continue on. I did that much of it yesterday. And gotta finish up today. Gotta figure out how I'm gonna pull this back up some more. Or better yet, nobody will know except for you. You won't tell anybody, I hope. But this metal's 12 gauge. And it takes a little bit to get going. But once you get going, she takes off. But alright, let's continue on. Huh? Yeah, I got this at on the meter over here. I got it at interesting. I got it at 40 and like pretty close to 12 gauge, it looks like, but hard to tell. Probably gonna have to put glasses on. autofocus helmet is killing me because it takes so long for it to go back to light. If you understand what I'm talking about, if you have one of these. If you have such a thing as that auto-focusing helmet, Scoobity glabbity, but I'm getting her. Had to turn down this fire to get where it don't blow out. See, isn't that just lovely? And it's going in these holes, and I use the hole to pull the metal up because looks the best. You must be too far away from the ground clamp, huh? Alright, since we got going on right now, I'm going to turn you guys off and finish up because I think this ground clamp, see, it's so hot. I think I need to change out the clamp because I don't think it's getting good. I don't think it's getting good stuff. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. We got another tank of argon from my local place. And they don't need no advertisement because, as far as I know, none of you guys that watch my channel live up here. And they may be nationwide though, but they still don't. They don't need a plug from me. But, yep, I did see a gentleman that works there though, and he's not subscribed to my channel. And I thought, by the way I talked to the gentleman that I talked to there, that he was having some family issue, but no, I don't think so. I don't think it was a family issue. By looking at it, the guy, he just went through a bad time in his life. he went through a bad time in his life. Just kind of like nothing like my leg thing, but he has no hair now. So if that gives you a little hint of what he went through, so yeah, it's bad. I don't know. I just can't talk about it anymore because it's just not right. But yep, he was smiling. And that was good to see. Yeah, and like I said, we got a new tank of argon because the wells were getting not so good, and it pretty much ran out of her last night. So let me bring you up and see what she looks like. Yeah, she's pretty smooth here. I mean, for me doing my first, these guys, whatever you call them, it's the ramp is pretty smooth. No big up and down. Got that. Got to finish this up here. I'll get rid of this stuff here, the rusty, and then I got to work in there. Yeah. Let me bring you back. Alright, because we got terrible lighting in here. I might have already did a video on this, but this hole, well, I don't think it's a good idea to separate this, because it's one of those weird situations where it's a piece of metal here, this piece of metal here, and it goes into this piece here and goes around the back. So actually this piece here, and then there's this piece here. So if I separate those things to try to fix it, I think I'm shooting myself in the foot. You know what I'm saying? You don't even hear the camera point. I'm talking, I don't even know what I'm doing. And so this guy is this piece here. And it's just a piece of whatever. And I haven't trimmed it off yet because I want to fix this hole here. Thinking about just taking the rust out and then fix this piece here first, and then put this piece back on up to there. It looks like like I said, I don't have a good one to show what it looks like. You got some rust back here, little putz right there. I don't want to remove the back piece. I don't want to separate this piece and try to fix it because it's going to be a mess. But then I got this in here, this piece here, which is inside. And I thought about separating that piece, which is that whole piece there, and repairing it and putting it back. But the question is look at all the rust on the bottom there that I can't get out. Then I thought about taking this piece out, unsoldering it from here, taking this piece out, and then that'll let me access in there to fix that. You know what I'm saying? If I unweld this piece here down to there, and then, because these are hooked together though. See, once I get that loose, and then I gotta undrill this piece here to fix down in there. Plus, once I get that fixed, I still gotta do the repair on the back side of this piece. that's gone. This piece is gone. But this piece is part of the whole floor. So. Yep. It's weird how they put this stuff together, huh? It is weird how they fold this together. Or I could just do the outside and pretend like I didn't see this inside here, but you guys know. Because you guys know, that means I can't hide it. Yeah, it's too bad I didn't have one of those pieces. And how do I get rid of that rust down on the bottom of that one? My thing? Well, let me try that. I needed to run it along the bottom anyways. Let me try that and see what it looks like after I get done with that. You know what I'm talking about? You know, the little needle guy? The needler?